So here we are going to make an air cooler out of this plastic bottle. Hence it can be considered as an eco-friendly project. So first of all we will uh, remove this snake, the ring on the snake, and we will rub the rough surface so that we can fix a fan on the snake. Okay, now we can fix this fan on the neck, but it's quite loose, so we will use this Teflon tape to, fix it tight. Okay, here we go. Okay, now it fits better. Here we have done almost the half of our job, and now we have to drill some holes on the back of this bottle. Okay. Okay, here we have drilled the holes in the back, and now we have to make a place for a water inlet. Okay, this much is enough, and now I will use this sample container. Now I will cut it into half and will place on the bottle. This way, and now we will glue it on its place. Okay, and now I will cut from here to place a sponge inside. Okay, and now we will cut a sponge into a circle. For that I am using this duct tape, actually a normal tape. We will take this the circular sponge and will place inside a bottle. Okay, and it's quite easy. Just insert the sponge inside, and we have done with almost everything with this project. Okay, here we have done with almost everything except to power the fan and to fill this bottle with water. Okay, now we will connect the wires with the adapter. Okay, it was quite easy. Here I have made this stand before. Let's put this system on the stand, but before this we will fill it with water. I am using a water pump to fill this water because the hole is quite narrow. Okay, you can see filling, and here we have to fill it up to the lowest hole. so that the water don't get drained out of the hole. Okay, now we will put the system on stand. Here we go. Now we are ready to use. Just switch on the system and it's ready to work. Okay, now let's see if it is giving a cool air. Oh, it seems like I have placed the fan wrong way. We have to flip its that side. Okay, now it's working properly. And the best thing about this gadget is it's not only a cooler but also a air filter. As when the air passes through the sponge, the heavy particle gets trapped in it.
Hello, my name is Ilya. I'm the second year student of the People's Friendship University of Russia. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a like, make comments and share this video with your friends.